Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm BeautyByAJ, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my daughter's wash day routine / hair care regimen. So if you want to see this video, make sure you continue to watch. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So very briefly, I'm showing you some of the products that I used to use on her hair prior to what I use now. And I actually have a video on my channel of her previous wash day that I'll link up above, but I'll talk more about the products later. So this is what her hair looks like about 7 or 8 days from her last wash. You can see she has some product buildup around the areas where her rubber bands are usually at, but her curls are still pretty much intact. So I start by thoroughly saturating her hair with water. This helps to loosen dirt and product on her hair, and it also helps the shampoo lather. So it's very similar to when you wet your body in the shower before you apply soap to it. Amara is almost 18 months for anyone gauging this for their own child. Her hair has a fine texture, her surface texture is smooth, and I believe she's going to be high density like me because that top section of hair has a lot of strands, but the rest of her hair is still growing in, so we'll see. And she also has a way tighter curl than I do, so she has a lot of elasticity. So I was super skeptical about using these products in her hair because I didn't want her sensitive skin to have a reaction, but we actually haven't had any. So the shampoo I'm using is the AG Balance Shampoo. The reason why I use this one in her hair rather than the Innersense Hydrating Cream Hair Bath is that her hair is normally dirtier than mine. So she'll have product buildup, food particles, lint, all kinds of things from rolling on the floor. So she just needs a stronger cleanser. And I've actually been using this one too because I've been working out multiple times a week. So I've been having a lot of sweat and things on my scalp. The reason I switched her routine from what it previously was is because I did the detox and I love the result. You guys know that. Also, I had previously stopped using the Smoothie Pie products because I felt like it wasn't doing anything spectacular where I would want to repurchase, and her hair just felt and looked super dry, super fast after wash day. So I had started just using the Shea Moisture shampoo with Uncle Funky's, and I thought I liked that for a minute, but I had experimented with a moisturizer that didn't mix well with Uncle Funky's, and it clumped and had like a white residue with like balls and just had a greasy feeling on her hair. So I tried to wash it out with the Shea Moisture shampoo, and all it did was spread it, and I washed it 2 more times after that, and it didn't come out. So I ended up using the AG Boost, and it immediately came out, and I've been using it ever since. So you can see that I start to lightly detangle her hair while the shampoo is in it. I normally use both hands to gently pull apart her hair, but I only had one hand due to recording and trying to keep her still. But I like that her curls start to define while the shampoo is in her hair. I find that clean hair curls best and behaves the best. Next, I'm going to rinse out the shampoo. Her hair feels super clean and you can see her curls are already looking moisturized. Moving on to conditioner. I use Innersense Hydrating Cream Conditioner. I love this conditioner because it really softens the hair, makes detangling a breeze, and a little goes a long way. But that goes for all of these products that I'm using. This isn't the normal consistency of the conditioner. I added some water to it because the product was stuck at the bottom because it's super thick. So I really focused on detangling and smoothing her hair because I won't have to smooth as much during the styling phase, and I'll show you guys what I mean a little later. So you can see how the conditioner froths up and really sits in the hair, which I like because I don't have to use a lot of product when detangling. So I rinse out the conditioner and I apply a lot of water into her hair. I make sure that her hair is soaking wet when applying Uncle Funky's because it's going to retain whatever water is in her hair to stay there rather than drip out. So it's going to make her hair more defined, minimize the frizz, and add weight to her hair by retaining that water in her hair. Just look at how moisturized her hair is. I want to note though that the product is not what is moisturizing her hair, because if you add Uncle Funky's to dry hair, it is not going to do anything. The water in her hair is what is moisturizing her hair. The Uncle Funky's daughter is allowing the water to retain in her hair for a longer period of time. So sometimes I stop at this step, and when I do stop here, the finish of her hair is more fluffy and it's not very weighed down. If you have a tighter texture, it kind of resembles when you just use leave-in conditioner in your hair for reference. It's similar to that. So her hair is defined, it'll be very soft, it'll have like a poofy frizzy look because there's little to no hold with the Uncle Funky's daughter. But sometimes I do use I Create Hold as a topper, and I'm showing you guys what that looks like. So I find on day 1 and day 2, it adds a lot of definition to her hair while also smoothing her hair. It weighs her curls down more, which makes her curls look more elongated and kind of makes the curls look juicier. But as the week progresses, her hair gets frizzy and shrinks, and it kind of gets a dull look to it. But another factor why her hair maybe shrinks a lot and gets frizzy is because I air dry her hair. So she gets more shrinkage and frizz than I would because I set my hair with a hooded dryer. Another topper that I've been playing around with is I Create Volume. I recently used that on her hair and the finish was very soft, but it had a lot of definition. It had a lot of body because it had a lightweight hold, and her hair actually lasted long in this humid weather with minimal frizz. And it added a lot of shine throughout the week. But regardless of the topper I use, her hair always turns out good because of the shampoo, conditioner, and base gel that I use. The toppers kind of just ensure whether the style will last with the weather or how it'll feel. But if you guys want a video of what the different toppers that I have look like, I can show you guys. Just let me know in the comment section below. So in this clip, I'm not doing anything special at all, but doing some ponytails. I just wanted to note that her hair is super manageable and very easy to style. I don't use a lot of tools in her hair because I don't have to. I use a detangling brush long ways just to detangle her hair and to elongate it and smooth it so her curls are separated. I don't use a bristle brush or anything to brush her ponytails and smooth them because I focused on smoothing her hair during the conditioning phase, like I already said. So this is our final look. You can see Amara is looking very beautiful as always. You see her hair looks super moisturized and her curls are popping, and we're gonna have a good week. And yeah. So before she gets real antsy, just trying to show you guys all angles of her hair. Now the sides of her hair don't really last that long because she likes to rub her hair on all surfaces, but we try to get it to do a little something something. So her hair took about 15 minutes from start to finish, and this routine has really helped me to feel better about maintaining her hair as she gets older and as her hair grows, because I understand what products are needed for a specific style and how to use said products. So I just know as her hair gets longer and her hair grows in, we're going to not have a lot of difficulty. So that brings us to the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, video suggestions, all of that, leave it down below. And I will see you in my video next time. Bye, guys.